Have you ever clicked on a product ad, installed the app, and somehow landed directly on the exact product you originally clicked? Not the homepage, not a random screen, the exact product, the exact offer, the exact destination. Seems simple from the user's perspective, but behind the scenes, something very powerful is happening. It's called deferred deep linking. And for app marketers, it's one of the most important technologies for creating seamless user experiences and improving conversion rates. In this video, we'll explain what deferred deep linking is, how it works, why marketers use it, and how it helps bridge the gap between acquisition and user experience. Let's dive in. Deferred deep linking is a technology that takes users to specific content inside an app after installation. The key phrase here is after installation. Unlike a standard deep link, which works when the app is already installed, a deferred deep link continues the user journey even if the app isn't installed yet. It remembers where the user intended to go, then, after installation, it delivers them to that destination. In simple terms, deferred deep linking prevents users from losing their place during the install process. Imagine you're browsing online and see an ad for a pair of running shoes. You click the ad. But instead of finding the shoes immediately, you're sent to the App Store, you install the app, open it, and suddenly you're on the home page. Now you have to search for the shoes again. Most users won't bother. Many will leave. This creates friction. Deferred deep linking removes that friction. It ensures users arrive exactly where they expect it to be. The result is a smoother experience and higher chances of conversion. Let's break the process down step by step. First, a user clicks a marketing link. This link contains information about where the user should eventually land. Next, the user is redirected to the App Store because the app isn't installed. The user installs the app. When the app launches for the first time, the deferred deep linking solution retrieves the stored destination information. The app then sends the user directly to the intended screen. All of this happens in just a few moments, and ideally the user never notices the complexity happening behind the scenes. Many people confuse deferred deep linking with standard deep linking. The difference is simple. Standard deep linking assumes the app is already installed. If the app isn't installed, the journey often breaks. Deferred deep linking works whether the app is installed or not. It preserves the destination throughout the install process. Think of standard deep linking as opening a door that already exists. Deferred deep linking builds the door first and then opens it. Deferred deep linking is used across many industries. In e-commerce, it can take users directly to a product page after installation. In food delivery apps, it can open a restaurant or menu item. In fintech apps, it can direct users to a specific offer or onboarding flow. In gaming, it can bring users directly to a campaign, reward, or event. Anytime marketers want users to continue their journey after installing an app, deferred deep linking can help. For app marketers, deferred deep linking is more than a user experience feature. It's a conversion optimization tool. Every additional step between a click and a desired action creates friction, and friction reduces conversions. By taking users exactly where they intended to go, marketers can improve onboarding experiences, reduce drop-offs, increase engagement, and create more personalized journeys. It helps connect acquisition efforts with in-app experiences. And that's why deferred deep linking has become a critical part of modern mobile marketing strategies. Let's recap. Deferred deep linking takes users to specific content inside an app after installation. It preserves the user's intended destination throughout the install journey. Unlike standard deep links, it works even when the app isn't installed. It reduces friction, improves user experiences, and helps marketers create more effective conversion paths. In short, deferred deep linking helps ensure users arrive exactly where they expect to be. If you found this video helpful, explore more concepts from the Apptrove Glossary series. Check the links in the description. Subscribe for more insights on mobile attribution, deep linking, analytics, fraud prevention, and app growth. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.